Hello everyone, Angelo here again. Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of crop planting and why it's so important to plan your nursery and the rest of your garden. So, the basics of crop planting are understanding where your different zones. For instance, we have Rise Garden nurseries, 8-hole plant trays, and 4-hole plant trays. Each of those spaces, you need to understand how long your plants are going to be in those spaces and when to move them to the next or harvest your plants. Today I'm going to walk through how you can use crop planting to get a head of lettuce every single day. What you're going to need is 2 nurseries, 1 8-hole tray lid, and 2 4-hole tray lids in your garden. What you're going to do to start is take 8 lettuce plants and germinate them in your nursery. Once they germinate, you're going to move them into your 8-hole tray lid. Then you're going to start another 8 plants. Then, once your next batch of seeds is ready and germinated in your nursery, you can take those, move it into your 8-hole tray, and move the plants from your 8-hole tray, space them out into your 2 4-hole trays. You're going to continue to do this, and after the 3rd week, you'll actually be able to get 8 heads of lettuce every single week, or 1 1/8 head of lettuce a day. It's up to you. But remember that crop planting is what lets you do this. You have to plan ahead, and you have to get your nurseries ready ahead of time so you have no empty spaces in your garden. Happy crop planting.